Alright, local sheriff's stopping me here.
Are you guys going north?
Yes, sir. Not too far. No worries. I'm not gonna argue.
Okay. Just hang tight here if you want to pull off onto the shoulder.
Perfect. Do you mind if I pull up right over there?
That's fine.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Hey guys, I got a visual on it. It's absolutely huge. It's a mega wedge.
Record it.
Trying to get to a safe place to stop real quick. Wow, holy crap. Holy shit.
Dear God.
This is a true definition of a monster.
This is fucking insane.
I got sirens in Langdon right now.
God, if you can get any type of video of the siren, that'd be awesome.
I already left town. It was such a short town. I can already barely hear him now.
I hate seeing any time get hit, but the good thing is, I know Plevna's going to get hit, but it's likely going to go north in Texas. It's got a lot of
Yeah, Plevna's about to get wiped off the map. One of my friends just said it's got 180-mile-per-hour winds on the ground. Yikes. These both these tonight could be high-end EF3s. I was about to go to bed. Brad Arnold, he almost got directly hit by the first one there. Glad he's okay though. I know they haven't yet, but I'll look for them to extend this tornado watch out just a little bit further for this storm as it moves to the northeast, because I don't think it's done by any means. No, I don't think it is either. What I've been hearing is that this wasn't even projected to happen tonight either. Brother, what can we say? This has been the year of absolute hell with tornadoes. Yeah, I agree. I mean, if y'all had told me earlier this afternoon we'd be watching two monsters tear across Kansas back to back, as wide as these are, I'd called all y'all a bunch of crazy people.
This thing has just gotten bigger and bigger. Right now it's looking at about 70 to 80 miles. This thing has been a tornado, or at least producing tornadoes.
Debris ball is back to 2.6 miles wide. It is El Reno sized.
Oh, jeez.
We need 80 miles. It's going to be a tornado, or at least producing tornadoes.
Yeah, that's about to be as big as the one that also went that several years ago around Easter. That's insane.
Gate to gate is now 220. On the ground, gate to gate, 220.
Yeah, if you pull up Max's stream and look in Page's stream, it's crossing the road.
Pulling upstream now.
Hey, Andrew, I got eyes on you. I'm right behind you.
Copy that, I see you. Got some trees up here in the road.
Hey, should we proceed straight or turn here?
Yep, I'm pulling in there right now.
Yeah, I can't tell if it's actually been hit yet or not. But and then Clint, you're coming up on Vince. I think they're in town clearing trees there on that main road, South Jackson Street there.
A lot of trees down around this house. I'm not seeing any evidence of anybody. Possibly some roof damage. I just want to make sure their storm shelter isn't blocked by a tree.
Primarily tree damage.
The main east-west road that runs all the way through town is directly to your south.
Do you know if it's still blocked? We were able to clear the north route coming into town a little bit.
Unknown. I think Vince and them were on that east-west road. The main one that goes through town is called 3rd Avenue. Vince and them were on it earlier, and it seemed okay, but I'm not sure. But yeah, like I said, it sounds like the west side of town was the worst off. If you cross, if you turn left here and then cross 3rd Avenue and just continue south, down there might be a little bit more interesting too.
Yeah, I'm here at 2nd and whatever this road is. They got down power lines. People down there. Wow. Oh wow. The roof is gone in that house. Is there any way to get through here? Don't look like that. Oh, maybe.
I could tell once I was asking the question.
Yeah, this might have been one of those subvortices.
Yeah, this is a good amount of damage here.
Trying to see if there's any like structures nearby.
I'm gonna see about moving a couple of these off the road.
Okay, I'm gonna wander up just a little bit further and just see what kind of other damage there is.
Go for it.
Gee, this is. Oh, wait. We got a barbed wire fence down across the road. A couple of them looks like.
What was that?
I'm saying there's another barbed wire fence down. Is the line down across the road?
3/4 of a mile that way there is. I'd get back. He's getting ready to cut these that are tight across the road.
Copy. Are we good to go south?
South, you're fine.
All right, thank you. All right, he said we got there's down power lines to the right, and then I got a telephone pole down here. Another one, and another one. Wow. Oh yeah, I got more poles down.
Good morning, gentlemen. Just checking on you guys.
Hey, we are in Stafford County, still surveying the damage and checking on houses.
We got numerous trees and power poles down across a massive area, huge area.
Copy that, guys. Be safe.
Got a little bit of metal debris in the road here. Oh, that's power line.
Yeah, I've got, looks like a horse trailer that's demolished over here in the field.
Alright, I got a power line running along the right lane of the road with some metal wrapped around it.
Copy that. Yeah, every one of these light poles are down, and then got some metal out in the field, out to the right.
Well, you'll notice as you come down here, the poles are towards the road instead of away from the road, so definitely had winds going back the other way here.
Copy that.
What the fuck is that? Is it? I'm trying to figure out how this is possible. You gotta see this.
Hey, I want to see it.
I'll send the photo in the messenger. This is absolutely unreal. Dude, it relocated the pole and put it in the fucking
Wizardry
ground. What the hell?